Hello guys, in this lecture we'll be covering the connection types. Whenever you open up Tableau, you're going to come across this screen. In this screen on the left, you're going to see the different type of files or databases that you can connect to. You're going to see Microsoft Excel, connect to an Excel file, text file, PDF, and so on. Over here right below you can also connect to um, Microsoft SQL Server, Amazon Redshift. You can connect to Tableau server, and you can also click on the more button, and once you click on here you're gonna see a whole lot of other databases that we can connect to. You can click on the search and you can search up uh, a database or a connection. So you can also connect to Google Drive. So if you have files or Excel file in Google Drive that you want to connect to, here's how you would connect to it. So for our example, let's go ahead and connect to an Excel file, and the Excel file that we're going to connect to is the one that comes with Tableau. For you to get there, you're going to go to My Documents, you're going to go to My Tableau repository, and within here you're going to go to Data Sources. You're going to click on the 2019 version or whatever version you have. Afterwards English, and the one that we're going to connect to is called the sample superstore dataset. This is an Excel file. Just double click on it and you're going to come across the screen right here.